Good day to all of you out there in the YouTube world. This is David Richardson on this Global Gas Channel, bringing you something of a value. Yes, I'm once again trying to impress upon you the value of you having an opportunity now to take advantage of you buying gasoline and getting a tax refund as a result of buying gasoline. Just think about that. You're going to buy gas, it's something you're going to do anyway of all you persons in America, and now you can increase your tax refund simply by buying gasoline. I'm once again trying to impress upon you how important it is for you to understand the phenomenal of what this global gas card means to you and what the global gas card really is. It is a card that's already in your pocket. Yes, it's that debit card that you have already in your pocket, or a credit card. That's what you already have now as your global gas card, and every time you spend $50, you're going to get $5 back. The $5 internal revenue, so that's income. And if you're conducting business, the $50 is a business expense, and that business expenses reduces the $5. $50 from 5 leaves a minus 45, which subtract the minus 45 from your other sources of income, and that increases your tax refund and decreases your tax liability, which we will explain when you give us a call for the phone number that you see listed on this channel. But now, pay close attention, if you would please, to the title of the message listed below under this video. You'll see something that's listed, say, your global gas card 10% off $50 purchase receipt increases tax refund. Well, 10% off of the $50 with proof of the receipt will give you the $5 back. That's income according to the Internal Revenue of definitions of income, and the $50, if you're conducting a business according to Internal Revenue's information, will give you a tax write-off of $45. Do that often enough and you'll see how it adds up in the course of the year or even more. Now, let's look at this process as it is. www.facebookcashgascard.com or www.youtubecashgascard.com is the two websites that you see listed below. Those two websites where you can go on, and in both websites, one will tell you to give you a continued tour, and the other one will show you how you can click the button that says "Let me in." Once you give an opportunity to get in, and to get in, you got to give your information, your name, it could be your real name, or your email address, and a phone number, could be your real phone number if you choose to do so, and get in, at least get in to see what you have to gain by getting in. And once you get in, make sure you click on all of the information that you see there, and the one specifically I would recommend is the compensation plan, so you can see how just you and two individuals, that could be your grandmother, your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, any other relative in your family, it could be your next door neighbors, could be a complete strangers, could be your co-workers, anyone you choose of two people, you and two people can drastically increase your income just by you and other two people. Watch the compensation plan and you get an understanding of what I'm talking about. Now, all the rest of the data is also listed in that category that I'm referencing. Once you get in, once you say "let me in," you're going to be given an opportunity to get in to see exactly what it is I'm really talking about on this channel. $50 purchase, give you $5 back. $50 purchase with the $5 back, operating a business, this global gas card business, will decrease your tax liability, increase your tax refund. It is just that simple. I don't know what other thing to do other than to reemphasize the fact that we're told by the economists in America that gas is going to exceed $8 a gallon within the next 30 to 40 months. Well, I remember a time past when we were told that gas, when it was $1 or less, is going to reach a level of $3. Well, that has already come to fruition, and we're now in excess of $4, and the economists are telling us that based upon what is happening around the world, that we are going to have a price of $8+ within the next 30 to 40 months. Whether that be or not, it'll remain at $4 in the next 30 to 40 months. It will still behoove you, enable you to get compensation as a result of you buying gas, and increase your tax refund as a result of buying gas. Regardless of what gas is going to be in the future, we know what it is at the present time throughout America. So I'm going to conclude this. Perhaps I've already taken up too much of your time. I do would like for you to reemphasize to you how important it is for you to click onto the websites that you see listed below. Down below, one says www.youtubecashgascard.com, and another one says www.facebookcashgascard.com. They don't have anything to do with Facebook or YouTube. It's just a means for you to understand how the social networks can be used for you to help you explain to others how you are now using gas as a means to increase your tax refund, decrease your tax liability, and get 10% off of every time you make a purchase of $50 or more. I'm going to conclude it. Oh, by the way, let me say this once again. You can now also get as much as $750 per month free gas. $750 a month free gas. All that information you see once you clicked on the button that says let me in, and also the other button on the other website that says continue your tour. www.facebookcashgascard.com and www.youtubecashgascard.com. I say it real fast and get tie-tongued when I say it. I want to thank you for watching, and I'm sure now I've exhausted too much of your time. Thank you and have a good day. Be blessed. Bye-bye. This is David Richardson, by the way.